Today we are going to do a quality inspection on a set of CTP sprockets and pins. CTP sprockets provide high resistance and durability even under the toughest circumstances. They are of extraordinary quality due to the perfect combination of high-quality cast steel and an advanced heat treatment technology. We start by taking a sample from a batch received from the manufacturer to our lab. We place these samples on our testing bench, together with all the technical drawings and documentation produced during the development of the product. First, we perform a visual inspection. For the sprocket, we start by checking the number of holes and teeth and compare that to the design's profile. For the pins, we check the chrome coating, if applicable, and then check all special features like the bore holes and chamfers. After the visual inspection, with the help of a Romer CMM or coordinate measuring machine articulated arm, we accurately check the profile and angle of each and every tooth. We check the thickness and profile of the sprocket. We check the location as well as the inside and outside diameters of each hole. We perform dimensions checks for the pin. With a height gauge, we check the length, a micrometer to check the pin's outside diameter, and a digital caliper to check the inside diameter of each machined hole. All our findings are documented and compared to our technical drawings and manufacturer's specifications to validate the process. We receive the parts back after being sent to our machine shop. The samples needed to be cut so we could perform hardness testing, as well as a metal composition analysis. Before the hardness test is performed, we use a grinder polisher machine to polish the sprocket sample in order to smooth out the surface to accurately measure the core hardness level. With a Rockwell hardness tester, we perform a test on the inner core of the metal as well as the outside surface of the sprocket sample. In our shop, the pin was cut in half to expose the inner metal material. Then, using a Rockwell hardness tester, the pin undergoes an outside surface hardness test. We also test the pin's inner core and mid-core by testing the sample at several locations from the center outwards. For the pin, we utilize the XRF handheld scanner to obtain the material composition and the percentage of the chrome base. We compare this data with the material composition and percentages from the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, we place the sprocket in the XRF bench scanner to analyze the material composition and validate that the correct material was used for that specific batch. After the parts are completely inspected, a checklist and a validation report are generated. If all the readings and results meet CTP standards and manufacturer's specifications, the batch is cleared and added to our inventory to be sold to our customers.